Well, trading is closed on February 18th, 2020. We had no calls specifically for today. The general idea was that we're at strong resistance, but we couldn't rule out trading higher first. We traded higher in futures, so there was some validity to that. We said that although I couldn't say it was guaranteed, I'd like to have a gap outside the day's range. If you count futures, we had a gap over the high plus a gap under the low. We said that I wasn't fond of these walls into the close because they had a tendency to gap down. We got that. Usually, when you don't follow through on the Friday, you get more of a drop than this, but it's not required. Typically what happens is you rally, and before much time passes, preferably by no later than Thursday's open, you go over this high and find resistance there. The ongoing pattern we had for this was the early high. We get this. That's it. Tomorrow has the early low. Tends to be a rally day unless you drop early. Pattern is you gap down, lower low, closed over all of them. Either this falls early or higher prices print. Had an ultimate buy signal here. This rally gave us the minimum. Almost always you get more than the minimum, which means almost always you'll trade over today's high. MEJT said this drop would retrace, said the rally would retrace. That's already happened. Here's what we said. Can't rule out higher prices printing first. Hope there'd be a gap, but I couldn't say it's required. Thursday we're going to have two videos. One's going to feature Norm Winsky. Don't miss that. Here's what I have. Wednesday's pattern has the early low. Absent a big drop in the first hour or two, tends to be a positive day. Higher high. Final hour trading. Unless we undercut today's low promptly, we should see higher prices, but the upside potential is probably limited. Pattern with the early low tomorrow, and that's today's call.